With the second pick in the 2016 NHL Draft, the Winnipeg Jets are proud to select from Tappara of the Finnish Elite League, Patrik Laine.
People are going to be surprised at how tall he is. They won't be taken aback, at least surprised, by the personality. This guy delivers, and his personality can match his game.
Oh, no question about it. He's a fun-loving guy. He's come out and said, yeah, I should be the #1 guy. We know now that that's not the case, but he shows that exuberance on the ice, and he's got that goal scorer's flair about him. A bit of confidence, bordering on arrogance, the ability to do good things on the ice with that one-time shot, and it's pretty interesting. You go back to his days as a youthful guy, shooting hundreds and hundreds of pucks a day. They used to set up soda cans in the top corners of the net to practice and improve his shot. So not only is it a hard shot with a lightning quick release, but it is deadly accurate, and immediately the Winnipeg Jets had a high goal-scoring player with Laine.
And I'd be one of the guys that I'm happy he has that attitude. I know maybe some concerns, he may be a little too flamboyant. Not for me. Great goal scorers, and he wants to become one of those. He has shown himself to be that prior to his NHL career. Need an arrogance. They need an attitude and a confidence, a self-belief, and he has plenty of it. But I'd rather have a guy wired that way than someone who I think I got to prop up if things aren't going well. I love his attitude. I love his belief, his arrogance, his cockiness.
Now, it has got him in trouble in the past. A couple of years ago, he was kicked off their team for the Ivan Hlinka. Why? We asked him this, why? And he said, well, I said I wanted to punch the coach in the face. And two of my teammates went and told the coach.
Yeah, they told on him.
Ran it out.
They ran him out. They booted him off the team. So it does get him in trouble. But you know what? He's a focused young guy as well. And sometimes his attitude might belie that a little bit. He's trained with NHL players, Rasmus Ristolainen, Lauri Korpikoski. So he knows what it takes to play in this league. I think he'll be ready to go next fall.
You know, and as a matter of fact, guys, he is an absolute media darling in Finland as well. When he took his driver's license test this year in Finland, the public broadcaster, YLE, was there filming his last driving lesson. How we felt about Connor McDavid last year, that's how Finland feels about Patrik Laine.